Hey there YouTube, just wanted to do a quick update on my Ecosphere because something bad happened. So I've had my Ecosphere on this wire shelf here, and I guess just moving it around because there's these little glass feet on the bottom of the jar. I'm assuming rubbing it up against the wire shelf a whole lot has caused a crack in the bottom of the jar. So unfortunately I'm going to have to replace this, so that sucks. Here's a little bit better view of what's going on. I had to put the jar in a bowl because it keeps dripping. It's not leaking really fast, but it's enough that it made quite a mess overnight. So I'm gonna try to find a different container for the Ecosphere and try it again. I'll try to preserve everything that's in the jar now. Hopefully pouring it into the new container won't kill too many things. Otherwise everything seems to be doing fine. I'll leave you with some footage from the macro lens I bought.